Hi, my name is Dr. Breyer. Welcome to my thyroid recovery website. I put this website together to inform people and let people know about the workshops that I do in my office where I explain to people how I, with functional medicine, help people get their lives back who are suffering with thyroid conditions. And also how I am able to be able to help people who are frustrated because they think or they pretty much know they have a thyroid condition, but they keep getting to run around being told that, everything's normal in the labs. I take about an hour in my office and explain what the different patterns of thyroid dysfunction are. There's a multitude of different ways that the thyroid can be dysfunctioning. We talk about all those in the workshop. It's not just a simple matter of the thyroid glands not producing enough hormone. That's a very old, outdated way of thinking about and looking at thyroid conditions. It, unfortunately, is the one that the medical profession continues to hang on to, and it's one of the reasons why people continue to suffer with thyroid conditions. There's also a lot of people who think they have thyroid conditions but have had lab work done and told everything's normal. Even, a multitude of times over the years have had lab work done and told, everything's normal, and yet they continue to have fatigue and, energy or hair loss and just different symptoms of low active thyroid. And there's a reason for that. And a good percentage of those people actually do have thyroid dysfunction, but they're working with a doctor who is using old, outdated methods or models of treating thyroid and evaluating thyroid conditions, so they continue to suffer. So give the office a call. It takes an hour. The workshop's an hour long. Okay, I'll do questions and answers one-on-one afterwards with anybody who's interested. And I guarantee you that you won't find it a waste of your time. I've been doing this for a lot of years, and people consistently get results with thyroid conditions with my approach. And I explain the approach that I utilize. I talk about the different patterns of dysfunction, functional medicine laboratory assessing, and the different treatment approaches that we utilize. And just kind of lay it all out on a line so you know how I help people with thyroid conditions. Give the office a call. The seating is limited. You need to reserve a seat if you want to come in. The workshop's no charge, but you do need to call and reserve a seat. Many people literally have gotten their lives back. There's testimonials on this website where you can look at and listen to people give their testimony about how they've gotten their condition resolved after years of unnecessary suffering with thyroid conditions. So give the office a call and reserve a seat for the workshop. I guarantee you won't be disappointed.